ta-ta! Alright, so I'm going to start you guys off with a tour of my room. So, just saying, here is my home. Coming in the house, right? Coming in the door. That's the door. Sorry, I'm talking a little quiet. I'm supposed to be doing homework right now. Anyways, so this is my closet. Anyways, my room's really messy right now. Bag, box with amp, boxing gloves, shoebox, picture frames, random box, stuff in it, bag, school bag, clothing, dresser, goggles, dictionary, book, thing, ship, glass box, dominoes set, cell phone, boat, poster, my chair with clothing on it, slippers, socks, bed. I know it's small, shut up. Anyways, that's I have this thing hanging over my bed. I don't know why. Just felt like putting it there. That's a couple picture frames, a thing, my camera case, the one that I'm holding right now. A lamp, a phone, an alarm clock. A snow globe, that thing, or that girl holding that stick. Window, two windows. Chair that I always sit on. Guitar. Favorite part of the room. It's the headstock. The neck. That's the body. Those are the tit knobs. Those are the knobs. That's the cord to the amp, and that's the amp. That's a random ass karaoke machine. That's a patch cord. That's my table. That's my binder. My table is a piece of shit, and it's really freaking messy, and there's my printer over there. My guitar case. My computer. This present box. My goodness knows. Why so serious? My computer. My water bottles. My keyboard. My computer right now. See that? Yeah, you like that, don't you? Anyways, that's a quick tour of my room. And this is a quick spin. Let me show you everything of my room. And another way. Right? Yeah, I'm sure you saw everything in that. Sure it was very clear. That's my room. Watch my next video to have a tour of my room. Watch my next video.